Hello, in front of me I've got RAZER Raiju V3 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to replace thumbsticks. In the original package we can find two additional thumbsticks. To replace them, firstly pull out the original thumbstick, simply pull it up. Now take a look at the additional thumbsticks. Like each one of them has this little arrow on the bottom. Now we have to match this arrow with the controller thumbsticks arrow. You can see arrows here on the top. So place it with the arrow facing downwards and then simply push it in and it's done. Same with the second thumbstick. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.